next, Ellen?
Well, up next, we're going to go to another live track, which is very exciting. Yeah. So these are a Salisbury-based act that lovingly recreate the early and classic Thin Lizzy tracks. I know, absolutely. There's a stellar lineup of musicians in this band. They are, of course, the wonderful Southbound. So they're just a celebration, really, of Thin Lizzy tracks. It's absolutely phenomenal if you see them live, and you're about to hear them live, so you're very lucky. They're made up of Pete Bartlett, Terry Taylor, who's also in Breakcover, James Siegel, who is also in Crystal Vision, and then we've got Stuart on drums. I mean, all of these guys are absolute legends across the scene. And so we are going to play for you the song called Johnny the Fox, which was taken from the 1976 album of the same name. And if you like what you hear, and we know you will, I sound like you there, babe, they will be playing at Wilton Live on the 22nd of November this year. Tickets are on sale now, so go to our socials and there'll be links on there to the Wilton Live 2025. Get your tickets and come and enjoy Southbound with us.
Johnny the Fox! Well, he called to Jimmy the Weed. Said, hey man, I know your name. I've seen you cruising with the low riders, hanging out down on First Street Main. Round the bay they got some crazy DJs. Send you out to heaven. Jimmy the Weed for greed, he was taken back.